Hi everyone, my name's Dani Baker and I'm so lucky to be a Senior Product Strategy Specialist here at Stampin' Up. I get to be part of bringing new products to the market. I'd like to introduce you to the Take Your Pick tool. We're so excited to have this product available to you. And the name, Take Your Pick, how adorable is that? This tool is the Swiss Army knife of crafting. One thing I love about this tool is that it makes it easier for me to place small embellishments on my projects, and it will make crafting easier for you too. So let me show you a little bit about it. It comes with the rubberized barrel to ensure that you have a good grip on it. It has two ends. So the first end, the tool has a putty end. You slide off the end cap, just straight off. Don't twist it. You might squeeze out some of your precious putty. Inside, there's this light sticky substance, and you can pick up small items such as sequins and easily place them onto your project. It's a breeze. You can keep using the putty until it stops sticking, and then break it off and slowly twist to bring out more putty for the next time that you need it. When your putty runs out, the putty tip can be removed, and you can attach a new putty tip. When you purchase it, it comes with one extra putty tip, and then you can also purchase a refill pack of 2. This is the spatula end. This tip is made from a durable, thin, flexible metal. Kind of looks like a mini pancake flipper. Use this to pick up many items, including your adhesive-backed elements and rhinestones. It's that easy. And if you make a mistake, it becomes your tool to move it. And wait for it, there's more. When you unlock the spatula end, there's a little lock and unlock icon on the side. You just twist it and it comes out. You flip it over and you have a built-in paper piercer. Isn't that amazing? But we're not finished yet. One more goodie for you. When you remove the spatula end or the paper piercing end, there's a separate stylus tool that can be exchanged. It comes with both a 1mm and a 3mm tip. You can put it back on, and this becomes your handy dandy scoring tool for paper folding or just to add some dimension to the front of a card. So that's just the starting tips on this Take Your Pick tool of ours. With so much versatility to this little tool, I've already decided that I'm going to need an extra one just for my kitchen. I hope that you enjoy using our new Take Your Pick tool. So be sure to contact your local Stampin' Up! Demonstrator or visit our website at stampinup.com to order yours today. Happy stampin'!